10:15 p.m. for Lake County. At 9:54 p.m., tornado-producing storms were located along a line extending from South Deering to Dyer to near Grant Park, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazards, damaging tornadoes. The storm is producing new lethal tornadoes at the same time. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Merrillville, East Chicago, Schererville, Hobart, Crown Point, Highland, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Portage, Lakes of the Four Seasons, and New Chicago. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.